I was sent this toilet paper holder at no cost for the purpose of this review. Let's take this thing out of the packaging, put it together, get it installed so we can test it out. So before I tear apart the packaging on it, I just want to let you know that the instructions are actually on the back side of this. So you just pull this back paper off when you're opening it. You keep it so you can make sure, one, all your parts are there, and two, that you put it together properly. Let's do it. So here's everything all laid out. I basically just pulled the plastic part off the front to be able to get all of this out. And again, it's going to be super straightforward. You just follow these 4 simple steps here to put it together, and then you mount it on the wall. So that's it. All right, so that was about as easy as an assembly would get. This thing went together very fast, very easy. Now I just need to go find where I want to mount this and put in the 2 screws so we can hang it on the wall. So you can hang it sideways like this, so that way the roll just goes on and folds down like a normal toilet paper holder. But I'm also thinking you could hang it like this, so that way you can slide the toilet paper roll on here and do it from the side if you want, or even use this as just extra toilet paper storage, so you can have your regular dispenser and then also have another roll of toilet paper there available. So, you know, be as creative as you want to be, but I'm going to go ahead and mount this so you can see it. It did come with an extra screw right here, and then here is the anchors for the sheetrock, and then the 2 little screws that you would put in there that would hold it from the back. All right, so here it is installed in our bathroom on the wall. I decided to actually install it like this so it would just hold the extra roll that way. But very cool. Makes me want to get another one of these and mount it where my existing one is so that they match, and have one sitting straight up like this, and then have one going this direction. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.